Are you ready to take your SAP career to the next level? Discover the power and performance of SAP HANA 2.0 SPS 08 with expert-led administration training designed for real-world success. SAP HANA is not just a database. It's the core of enterprise innovation. With the latest SPS 08 release, businesses are optimizing speed, scalability, and smart data processing like never before. This comprehensive 45-day online training covers everything you need to become a certified SAP HANA administrator. From system architecture and installation to backup, recovery, user security, and performance tuning. All taught by an expert with 24 years of industry experience. Whether you're a system admin, SAP consultant, cloud architect, or IT manager, this course equips you with the skills to manage and maintain SAP HANA environments with confidence. Get lifetime access to course materials, 3 months of recorded sessions, resume building support, and placement assistance, all tailored to your professional growth. Don't just follow the tech trend, lead it. Enroll now in SAP HANA 2.0 SPS 08 administration training and shape your future in enterprise IT.